The Beginner's Guide to Good Credit. Why is it important to have good credit? With today's society becoming more and more business-oriented, establishing and maintaining good credit is vital if you plan to do any of the following. 1. Apply for employment. 2. Rent an apartment. 3. Open a bank account. 4. Set up an account with public service or the telephone company. It used to be that establishing good credit was important only if you planned to buy a home or car, but not anymore. The simplest task, such as applying for employment, could very much mean that you need good credit. Having bad credit could impede your ability to survive. This is sad to say, but it is a proven fact that people have been turned down top-quality jobs just because of their credit rating, despite the fact that that particular job could be exactly what a person needs to fix their credit. That's a scary catch-22, don't you think? Okay, I'm caught in that scary catch-22, what do I do? Start by requesting a copy of your credit report in writing. You are entitled by federal law to receive a free annual credit report. There are 3 major credit reporting agencies that you need to contact. You can run a search on the internet. If you have already received a credit report for that year, you may also use any letter of credit denial by sending in a copy of that letter within 60 days of its receipt with your written request. Be sure to include a copy of your state-issued ID, proof of your address, and your last known addresses for the past 5 years. It is very important to include a copy of your Social Security card. What does this mean to have good credit? Who cares who sees it? Unbelievably, your credit report is public information to anybody where you are asking for a line of credit. Anytime you apply for employment, an apartment, or attempt to make a big purchase, you are asking for credit and permitting the potential creditor to view your credit report. Although your credit report does not reveal a personality disorder, in some ways it is treated as though it could, considering it is through your credit report that others, potential creditors, will perceive what kind of person you are. Businesses look into your credit report, and determine by your ability to pay and follow through on your promises, what kind of person you are. Do you adhere to your promises? Are you stable? Do you follow through on payments? If so, then you most likely are a good and reliable person. You may be worth giving a chance at that perfect job, or residing in that particular community. What about good people with bad credit? You may be a good person, you may even be the most considerate and compassionate person alive. However, if your credit report shows a late payment or no payment on an account at all, your entire being could be perceived as unreliable, unstable, and untrustworthy. Prepare yourself to deal with a lot of paperwork and phone time once you are ready to repair your credit. What does this mean? How can I protect my reputation? Proverbs chapter 22 verse 1, a good name is to be chosen rather than great riches, loving favor rather than silver and gold. What this means is that it is time for you to fix your credit. Your income may be null or limited, that's okay. There is still a way to save your personal reputation and open more doors of opportunity. Once you receive your credit reports, the first thing you should do is to contact the creditors listed and make payment arrangements, even if it is just $1 to $5 a month. Doing this shows your willingness to get back on track. It shows that you are putting effort towards establishing stability and responsibility. Whom can I turn to for help? The credit people is one source for information and assistance that is readily available. This credit repair program invented the extra mile. This program is reported by many as the most complete and affordable service available online for the past 15+ years straight. It is complete with full customer support, regular email updates, online client portal access, and powerful results delivered throughout a customer's entire program. They are recognized as one of the leading credit repair service companies online to date. They provide a free consultation where they detail how they can help you. Click the link below this video for your free consultation. https://thecreditpeople.net/?A =15215 and C =1 and S1 =Joan Jones.